Hi, Mel here from Singorama. Now, once you start building the foundations of proper singing technique, then comes the fun part, finding your own singing style. Even though I sang pop music for quite some time, I was always heavily influenced by my dad's love of jazz music. And it turns out that this, for me, is the style that I love singing the most. You will have your own influences, and that's a good place to start when it comes to finding a style that suits your voice. Sing along with your favourite singers and try and copy their style. Record yourself doing this and then listen back to what you sound like and be as objective as possible. Now, your favourite style of music might not be the best style of music for your singing voice, so make sure you experiment with different genres of music and different melodies that you feel comfortable singing. The more you do this, the more you will feel and know what path is right for you and your voice. It's also important to pay attention to the lyrical content of a song. Sing words that you believe in and that mean something to you. You can easily tell when a singer believes what they are singing about or not. I call it my authentic radar. It automatically detects when a singer does not truly relate to what they are singing about, and I immediately disconnect from them. I think each and every one of us does this. It's what causes a whole group of people in an audience to simultaneously stand up and even cry with emotion when listening to a singer, as we've all seen on Idol and X Factor. Now, I'd have to say the ultimate way, though, to relate to what you're singing about is to actually write your own lyrics and songs. It's such a rewarding thing to do, and I'll chat to you about it in another video. For now, though, get on YouTube, download a bunch of songs, and keep singing to find your perfect style.